DJ Khaled lights up Instagram with a $26,000 color-changing Louis Vuitton bag from his wife. This is some tech showing up in fashion, I guess. Apparently, they're using fiber optics here to essentially create an RGB Louis Vuitton bag for 27 grand. I didn't know this, but apparently DJ Khaled is a bag aficionado.
Okay.
He loves all kinds of bags, including what's outlined in this article, paper bags. Paper bags, Will.
Does he...
I don't know why he said that. There's
like
an app that goes with this.
Lunch bags?
Yeah, paper bag. I don't know what that means. Are there nicer ones? Anyway, there's an app that goes with it. He was showing it in the previous frame. And it's all kinds of RGB effects. But if you look at the close-ups of the bag, it actually is thread. The light is coming through the thread. Or the thread is illuminated as inside of the Louis Vuitton pattern. So it's not a type of screen as you might have thought. It looks a lot more convincing on the close-up shots.
Yeah. Do you remember the LCD bag from Louis Vuitton that would display like a picture?
Yeah, it had a screen on the side. We talked about it early later days.
Very early.
Yeah, I think this is cooler because someone can just change.
Oh, yeah, there it is.
Yeah, see how it's in the thread like that?
Cool.
I think this is much cool. There's a video as well. I don't know if you can see it, or a GIF. GIF or a video where he's spinning it around, and it really illuminates things. Yeah, there you go. Look at when he spins it around. It's quite bright. And you can do the rainbow pattern. You can have the gradient going. You can have it on a solid color. I would not pay $26,000 for it, but it is interesting tech making its way into the high-end fashion as well. Also, how about the outfit?
He's a Ninja Turtle.
I like it's like the olive green sweatsuit going on, loose fit. That's what you're talking about, Will. Sometimes you need the loose fit.
Yeah, it's fun.